It was one of those days where nothing seemed to go right. My stomach growled as I sat on the park bench, staring at the few coins in my pocket. Just enough for a bottle of water, not a meal. As I looked around, an older man sat next to me. His suit was worn but clean, and his briefcase looked like it had seen better days.
You look like you could use some help.
He said, pulling out a $20 bill. Here, he added, but it's not a gift, it's a test. A test? I asked, confused. Yes, he said. Take this and make it grow. Don't spend it all at once, and don't come back empty-handed. Come find me in a week. And just like that, he was gone. The plan. I had $20, but what could I do with it? My first thought was food, but I remembered his words, make it grow. I walked through the market, scanning the stalls. That's when I saw a small sign, fresh lemons, $1 a dozen. An idea sparked. I bought 3 dozen lemons, $3. A pack of sugar, $2. 25 plastic cups, $5. A large bag of ice, $3. With my remaining $7, I got a simple hand-drawn sign, lemonade $1 per cup. The hustle. The park was bustling with joggers, parents, and kids. I set up my makeshift stand and started calling out. Fresh lemonade. Only $1. At first, people walked by, uninterested. My confidence wavered, but then a woman stopped. Lemonade? Perfect. I'll take one. That first sale was like a spark. Soon, others followed. By the end of the day, I'd sold 23 cups and had $23 in my pocket. Growing the business. I reinvested my earnings. More lemons. More cups. A second-hand cooler from a thrift store. I started experimenting, adding flavors like mint and berry. People loved it. By the end of the week, I had $120. I returned to the park to find the old man waiting. You've done well, he said, smiling. Here's your $20, I said, handing it back. No, he replied, pushing it back toward me. That was never the point. You passed the test, you found a way to create something from almost nothing. Beyond lemonade. With his encouragement, I kept pushing. I rented a small cart, expanded my menu, and started offering drinks at local events. The next summer, I turned my lemonade stand into a full-fledged mobile drink business, complete with a cart and branding, Zesty Sips. Within 2 years, I was catering weddings, festivals, and markets. The same $20 had turned into a 6-figure business.